Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a dotted line in a circle in Photoshop. Follow my video. First of all, create a new layer. Click the shape tool. Right click on your mouse. Click ellipse tool. First of all, I do not use stroke. Hold shift, then click and drag it for the shape. Then press Ctrl J on your keyboard or duplicate layer. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, click and drag it for resize it. Then again click the shape tool and do not use fill. Simply click stroke. Stroke. Click the drop down stroke menu and select dotted. Draw. Increase the size for dotted. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Hold Control, select for middle.